How can I help you?
Is this Cash App support?
Yes, this is Cash App support. How can I help you?
Yes, I have. Hold on. I am trying to get this refund. This sorry, my hiccups. I'm trying to get this refund from this item that's been bought off Amazon by using my Cash App. How do I get that refund,
Can you
sir?
please can you please tell me the last four digit of your invoice number?
Mentek zreho teri maki chut.
भाग तेरा माँ का वो रंडी अड़ा लग तेरा
Can
अभी
you
भी नहीं
please
मान रहा
lend
ना.
me $5,000? Then I will leave this job forever. You remember me?
Okay, I will give you $10,000, but you don't need to call me for 2 hours. Okay, deal? I will scam someone and then I will send you that money.
Oh, how about this? I call you again and again, and you don't have to pay me a dime.
Then just suck my dick.
I'll call again and again. Then bar bar phone kadrunga. Sorry about my hiccups, everyone. I just suddenly have woken up to them. Happy 4th, y'all. If you're in America, if you're not, have a good day. Sucks y'all have to work if you work.
ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ना बस. Hello.
Hello.
तेरा माँ का वो तेरा शक्ति का फूल वो
Hi.
बस कर.
Hi. Why is everyone cussing for?
हिंदी हंस रहा हिंदी आएगा हम लोग हालत
Randi
में
Randi
यार
है
हिंदी
Randi क्या
हिंदी
लड़का
बोलना सीख. गला में हलक अटका
चूस
हुआ.
मेरा लैंड चूस मेरा लैंड
काला मोटा लैंड
काला
भरा
what's
हुआ मांस
black what's black क्या है
सारी पका बाहर.
काला लैंड पंजाबी का लैंड कोकरा का लैंड दिल्ली का लैंड हरियाणा का लैंड मादे
ओके
चोद
ओके
है तेरा
ओके
माँ का भूत what
ए भूखा चोदा भैया के चोदे.
you poca chora you poca chora polo polo they're all just cussing in the background. This is weird. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I'm really hoping it's at least 6 minutes long of just nonstop cussing. Cause I'm not quite damn it. Cause I'm not quite sure how to bait Cash App, but I'll try. Okay, it's rang twice. So hopefully they actually pick up. Cause the last time I called them, it rang once and they just hung up. Hold on. The only reason why I said, "Can you please lend me $5,000?" is because he sounded just like the guy who said that from Stupidest Scammers Ever. Like it all boils down to, basically, if he even remembers me. I think I don't think he did. Just so I can remind him what I did to him last October. So they're not necessarily picking up. They're still active. It's a 601 area code, so I don't feel safe, well, not like safe, but I just don't feel right giving out someone else's phone number. You see, when they're doing these non toll free numbers, they're basically using someone else's number. Fun fact, I've had an Amazon group use my number at one point, which it don't happen to many people, but it actually happened to me. I'd say probably October of 2020, right after I found scam numbers. So I'm calling a callback number.
The person you are trying to reach is not available.
Oh,
Please leave a message
man.
after the tone.
Damn. Well, let's go find another number, y'all. This was a Cash App support. I didn't feel like doing Kim Jong Un today. I mean, I have his mask Like, I think it's somewhere in this area, somewhere in this room. I know where it's at, I just can't see it right now. So, I'm gonna call up another. We got a McAfee number, so maybe we get lucky. It's only about Jennifer Brown. Alright. Y'all, my allergies. I just woke up, stuffy as hell. Call this number up.
Thank you for getting connected with McAfee. How can I help you?
Thank you for getting connected to McAfee. How can I help you? Oh. I don't know what just happened with this phone. Like, it was calling. I heard that guy pick up. Hold on. And it wouldn't let me turn on speakerphone. I couldn't even find the tab, so I had to close out all my tabs. Like, this phone sucks. Hold on, so they pick up again.
My name is Steve. How can I help you?
What's your name again?
My name is Steve. How can I help you?
Steve. Oh, okay. मैं देख रहे हो तेरी माँ की चूत. समझा?
आपकी
तेरा माँ का बूढ़. Hello? I thought his name was Dave. If it was Dave, it'd be a damn good day, y'all. He'll pick up again. He'll pick up. Hello?
Thank you for calling support. Can I help you?
Can you speak a little louder, please? I can barely hear you.
Yeah, thank you for calling support. How can I help you, ma'am?
Thank you for calling support. How can I help you, ma'am? Hello? Are you still there?
Okay, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, yeah. Tell me, how can I help you? अरे बहन चोर क्यों scam
My
कर?
Facebook
What?
mother पे बहन के लौड़े
Aww.
चूतिए
Why are you
बोतली
angry?
के
Why are you abusing? Why are you
you
abusing?
first of all you know because
I
put it down, suck my dick.
मैं तेरा बाप हूँ तो मेरा बेटा है मेरा लंच चूस मादर चोर मैं तेरी
के लौड़े mother शो तेरे पिछवाड़े में डाल के तेरे मुंह से निकाल दूंगा बाहर बहन के
मैं
लौड़े
तेरी माँ की पति है
चूतिए
मैं पति है मादर चोर. Oh, I was literally about to read that comment for you. Cause I got another one I'm gonna try to say. Cause most of it I'm able to do it. It's just the one word. I think you can know what word I'm having trouble with. But I'm gonna try to say it one time. Right. Wait a minute. That's an old ass video. Am I not getting these comments? तेरी माँ की सर करा कब कर रहे हो? I'll try. That doesn't sound bad. Today I'm only just like pranking them, just making them angry. It's mainly because of what today is and the reason for. I want to call this video, and I've been wanting this for a while, Scammers Rage or something like Scammers. I'm trying to think. Well, I'll think about it. You guys already seen it, so why does it matter? Scammers blow up like a firecracker out of rage. I don't know. I'll think of something because I don't want to violate CG.
Ford, my name is Sam. How can I help you?
Hello, Sam?
Yes, how can I help you?
मैं तेरी मार की सर कर कब कर रहे हो? Apparently that made him so mad he just didn't feel like he forgot how to get mad. He just starts hey, he put me on hold forever. Like he'll never put me off of hold. He'll never do it. So when that happens, you gotta hang up and call him back.
Facebook support. My name is Steve. How can I help you?
Steve, मैं तेरी मार के सर कर रहे हो मादर चोर.
लंड ले दे मेरा.
Nay. Okay, I understood what he said. For once in my life, I actually understand what a scammer said to me. Right when he says, "Lanchuk le de mera," which means suck. He wants me to suck his dick, basically. Which I ain't doing. Hello?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Is this Facebook support?
Hello, sir. How are you doing today? Thank you for the help desk.
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. कैसे हो? मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. कैसे
Yes,
हो?
it is.
What?
What,
What do you
what did
say?
you say?
I said मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. कैसे हो?
I cannot understand you, sir.
I
You have to
said-
speak in English.
I said मैं तेरी मार के साथ गरक कर रहे हो. Hello?
All right. So,
Can I talk?
yeah, I can hear you, sir, but I couldn't understand
Can
what
I
you're
talk to
saying.
Mr. David, please? Can I talk to David? Huh?
Who's David?
David is another worker in your office. He's on the floor today. I would like to talk to him.
Okay, this is David speaking.
No, you just said your name was. You just said your name was Sam or Steve. You just said your name was Steve.
Come on, my name, whatever the fuck you want it to be, bro. You already know that, right? Don't you know that?
What? You're not David.
Like, come on, come on, bud. You need to go outside, drink with your friends, have a barbecue. It's 4th of July, bro. Why are you calling people out there?
Because I'm gonna do all that tonight. I'm doing all that tonight. Not really all of that, but we are going to family houses. Well, we're going to a family friend house today. Known these people for like, I don't know, my grandma knew them. But no. You know what would be cool? If I can get this video to 17 minutes and 76 seconds. My god, that would be fucking cool. That'd be awesome. I don't know. Like, I have a whole list of numbers we can call, so. Oh. You almost ready? Shit. I can't. Well, we might have to go now. I'm gonna wait to see what my mom says. I mean, I'll upload this video as fast as I can. Like, literally, I already know how I'm going to do it. Like, I'm smart, y'all. I'm smart. I know how to upload. Alright, let's call one more number, because I can make her wait, like, a couple minutes. Just so I can... We need to leave soon. Alright, I'm sorry I have to go now. I'll see you guys tomorrow is another scam baiting day. This one was actually kind of funny to me, in my opinion. This one was one of the better ones that I've done. At least in a while, so I hope you guys notice I'm wearing a reddish shirt. I got bluish, you can call it blue. Blue shorts. I got the LED strips to the red, white, and blue. You know, hope you got if you guys are American citizens, hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July and enjoy your day. Enjoy the day off if you got it off. Hope you guys have a great day. I know I probably am. I cannot wait to get this video uploaded. Yeah, have a great 4th of July to the Americans. And if you're not American, hope you guys have a great day as well. If it's nighttime, have a good night. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. So I'm gonna go now. Peace.